What's going on, Rodders? Welcome back to the channel. As you see, we have two Tom Daniel kits that we added to our model kit stash. So let's go ahead and get on into them. The first kit we have is a Roaring Rail. It's a wild thrashing, fuel guzzling AAF dragster. It is a Monogram Rail Kit. It is a snap tight, so it says snaps together, no gluing or painting. It is molded in color. And here's what the box looks like. So if you guys remember a while back, I did pick one of these up as a bagged rebuilder kit from Atomic City, the local model shop. So there it says designed by Tom Daniel. This one needs a little bit of parts as well, but it is a lot more complete, and it came with the box. So here's the stand and the car. It has the motor. So this one's molded in yellow. The other one I had was molded in green. So it has the wheels on it. And the chute. So it's still missing the steering linkage. But you got the front. And I think this one was maybe missing a wheel as well. Yeah, we got the original trees that were in there. But here's the rim, so it's missing a tire. And we have the moon tank. So between the two, I could put it together. Like I said, it still is missing just the steering linkage, and there's just more trees in there. But here's the stickers. So Hot Wheels Mattel, some flowers, STP, Pennzoil, MH. So pretty cool. Here's the instructions. So this one is copyright 1971. I believe the box is 1970 copyright. Monogram Models Inc. So definitely some simple instructions. Very big, nice print. Definitely was great for kids. There's some more stuff here. Definitely really nice. Then another thing that's in the box is this Snoopy Bugatti race car. Snap tight advertisement. There's a Red Baron. A Snoopy Red Baron. And then there's some other cars. So there's the Roaring Rail. We got a Super Taxi, Hemi Semi, Street Cleaner, Boss Mustang, Screamin' Vet, Dune Rat, and Thunderbug. Definitely some really cool kits as well. Really nice. Definitely some cool stuff. And pretty cool that it has all the cool goodies in there as well. That says there, remember, snap tight models for all ages. Just goes over the kits again. So Monogram Mattel, quality hobby kits. Copyright 1971. Definitely sweet. Let's go ahead and get a closer look at this. So again, it comes with the base to sit on. There's the big old engine. Definitely really cool. So and again, there's the front. like I said, between the two I have enough pieces to make a almost complete one, besides they're both missing the steering shaft on them. So that wraps up the Monogram Rail that we got. Actually, somebody that viewed the channel that was local brought it to a swap meet. I wasn't able to make it in time to meet them and get this kit, but thankfully I had somebody there to get the kit for me. So I thank them for bringing that out and having it available and reaching out to me. Sorry I couldn't make it in time to meet you, but hopefully we'll be able to meet each other in the future. And I really appreciate you bringing this kit down to the swap meet. So there's going to be some glare because of the light with the cellophane around the package, but here we have the King Chopper 2. It's called the King Chopper 2 because it's a re-release, and instead of having round headlights, from what I read, it has square ones, but everything else would have been original to the first issue of the King Chopper. Again, this is a Tom Daniels kit, just re-released by ATLANTIS. This original kit would have been issued in 69 to 70, from what I researched, but they add some new things in this kit, saying it's molded in purple with chrome with real rubber tires, 2 decals to choose from, and it says Tom Daniels Way Out Custom 3-Wheel Show Cycle. And this is a 1/8 scale model kit, so it builds up pretty big. So, really nice looking box art. And this is what the original box art would have looked like, with the buzzard and everything on the back of the bike with the people. There's 2 next to the chopper, just wouldn't be there. So here's some facts about the kit. And there's one of the decals that comes with it. So there's 2 big decals that come with it to have the availability to use. Just the same thing on that side. It's just some information about the kit. And again, just to repeat. And we are going to unbox this, so let's go ahead and get on into it. So here's the kit without the cellophane. So the glare ain't too bad on the lights as they were with it on. But if I didn't mention it, this kit is remade by the folks at ATLANTIS. Definitely grateful for them to remake some of these cool kits that some of us would like that weren't around for them at the time. Definitely really cool. All right. So here we have 2-piece tire, it looks like. This is probably going to be the biggest kit I've built to date once I do build it. Looks like we got some rim pieces and motor pieces and chains and chain guards. Looks like the back tires are also molded in 2 different pieces as well. So they just fit together like so. There's the other back tire. Then we got the forks with the bars. Humongous. There's the back rims. Some more motor pieces. Man, definitely giant parts. Really cool. And we got some parts of the bike here. Got the frame. Looks like the seat area. The buzzard. Looks like got the throttle cable and brake lines. Some clear plastic. So once I do decide to build it, that's when I'll probably go over this stuff again. Wow. Got a free file in there, 1500 grit. So that's pretty cool. And here's the instructions. They're really stuck down in this box here. Don't want to tear them up. There we go. Got them out. Just kind of wedged in between the cardboard there. But once we get to this kit, I'll do a proper unboxing and unbagging. It's more just a quick look through because I really wanted to look at it. So the instructions are pretty nice looking. Tells you what color to paint things and how to assemble stuff. So really nice. Gives you boxes to check stuff off, so I like that. I wish more models would have that. And here's the decals. So like I said, you get two different designs to have on the back of the seat. Have this one, it's kind of like a tiki type of theme. And then over here we have some like pinstriping. So it's like a 3-point crown or something up there. And we got some diamonds. Then you got the King Chopper 2, Tom Daniels. So license plate, I'm King 2, with ATLANTIS on it. Really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and stick these in the instructions. But pretty cool that they also give you a tool. Since 1968, Flexi File, Demand the Brand. So pretty nice. They give you a tool. So there we have it, 2 new stash adds to the model kit collection, both from Tom Daniels. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the show. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking it out. I appreciate each and every one of you that click and watch the videos. Like, subscribe, and comment. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.